Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Mozilla Firefox into your Windows, which is also a very great browser. So for that, let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, open the default browser of your Windows, which is the Microsoft Edge. So type Edge in the Windows search bar. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match. Now maximize this. Then you'll find in the search bar, simply type Firefox download. Firefox download, hit enter. And you'll find the first option from here, which is from www.mozilla.org. Download Mozilla Firefox for Windows. Click on that. And you'll find this button. So it's from www.mozilla.org. Click on download now. And the installer file will be downloaded. So let's just wait for this. Now once done, click on it and then you have to close the Edge browser. So this is, or I have just uninstalled this from my Windows. So I have to click on this reinstall button. And let's just wait for this in a while. And now we need to click on done. And then we need to click on. So if you want to pin Firefox to taskbar, set Firefox as a default browser, import from previous browser. Now you can click on save and continue, but I am not going to click on save and continue. So let me just click on skip this step. Click on skip this step. And then click on skip this step. Click on start browsing. And here, you have now installed the Firefox browser into your Windows, and now you can start browsing from here. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.